Hey, GirlzLawn coming to you again with another creator appreciation. Are you running a small lawn care business or looking for a down-to-earth, relatable creator on YouTube? Well, hey, I have a recommendation for you. Go over and check out Big Son's Lawn Care channel. This channel is a breath of fresh air in the lawn tuber stratosphere, trust me. I don't recall exactly how I came about this channel, but those are minor details that don't matter right now. I'm just happy that I did. You know, Big Son runs a lawn care business in the Chesapeake, Virginia area. We're practically neighbors. Not quite a hop, skip, and jump, but we're close. On his channel, Big Son discusses the everyday things associated with having a lawn care business and welcomes you into his space. There are a few things I really like about Big Son and his channel. The top thing is how he communicates with his audience. I truly look forward to his comments on my videos and his responses to my comments that I leave on his videos, because I know they're genuine thoughts and feedback and not some auto comment. One of the other things that really caught my attention was how he makes it a point to shout out his new subscribers. Eventually, that may not be possible to do, but I'm sure he will continue to do it as long as he can. And lastly, his channel is light and not stuffy. It's like you're hanging out with a buddy, and the drawings, c'est magnifique. You have to check that greatness out for yourself. Big Son is approaching 1K subscribers, so go ahead over there, say hi, and subscribe if you enjoy the atmosphere. That's Big Son. That's PJ. We're giving each other a high five. I did my best. IG, GirlzLawn, all that good stuff. But anyway, when you go out over there and check out Big Son, tell him GirlzLawn sent you. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good one, and I will see you in the next video. I think it's pretty good.